Today we're reviewing a heavy-duty 250 amp bus bar that solves power distribution problems for marine, RV, and solar setups. If you've ever struggled with messy wiring or voltage drop when running multiple accessories, this 4-post distribution block might be exactly what you need. First, the current rating. This bus bar is engineered to handle up to 250 amps of continuous current. That means you can safely power high-draw equipment like winches, trolling motors, or high-output audio systems without overheating or voltage drop. No more electrical bottlenecks. Now let's talk terminals. Each post features both an M10 metric stud and a 3/8-inch SAE threaded hole. This dual design eliminates the frustration of mismatched hardware. Whether you have metric or SAE ring terminals, you can connect directly without adapters. It's a simple but brilliant feature. The 4-post layout gives you independent connection points per block. You can consolidate power from a single battery terminal to multiple circuits, keeping your battery compartment organized. No more tangled wires or bulky distribution blocks. Corrosion resistance is critical in marine environments. This bus bar is made from high-conductivity brass with a tin-plated finish. That means it resists rust and oxidation, even in saltwater conditions. Perfect for boats, RVs, and off-road vehicles. It is universal for 12-volt DC systems. Whether you're wiring a boat, RV, car audio, solar panel system, or golf cart, this bus bar simplifies your setup. Installation is straightforward. Just mount it on a flat surface, connect your battery input to one post, and distribute power to your accessories on the remaining 3 posts. The tinned copper material ensures excellent conductivity. In testing, we found voltage drop was minimal, even at high loads. This is crucial for sensitive electronics and lighting. The construction feels solid with no sharp edges or loose parts. One thing to note, the posts are spaced adequately for larger ring terminals. But if you have very thick cable lugs, check the spacing. For most applications, it's fine. Overall, this bus bar is a robust solution for anyone needing reliable power distribution in harsh environments. It's built to last, easy to install, and provides the flexibility to mix metric and SAE hardware. If you're tired of messy wiring and want a clean, efficient setup, consider this bus bar. It's a worthwhile investment for any 12-volt project. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews.